messing with her. Okay? You know, they're doing what's this, whatever it's called. So you gotta teach her.
You got 5 brothers. You can have rough legs.
Yeah, so no, you gotta teach her. You gotta teach her, yeah, what's this? Right?
Oh, look at that black dino.
Black dinosaur.
Wow.
There you go.
Wow. And a horse. Oh, sorry. We're together. What color horse do you want? A brown horse.
Oh, I don't have brown. I can do like purple and pink or blue.
You guys like it? Good?
That's pretty close to Jim. Ok, viens ici pour que...
She already did it.
So they'll like obviously get in there, like work up here.
Wow, awesome. You know what, okay, you know what, I think I got a helper. You guys can sit down, sit down. It's very important. Before I get some help, is it alright with you if I use Mom? Perfect. Let's give her a big round of applause as she joins us on stage. Awesome, thank you, ma'am. What's your name? Sarah? Isaac, very nice to meet you. Sarah, before we get in, no problem. Sarah, before we get into this trick, I want to assure you this is 100% safe. For me. You're gonna need that. Now, we have two choices for Sarah. We can give Sarah 2 different safety helmets. And it's up to you which one she gets. By a round of applause, we can give Sarah the blue safety helmet. Alright, stand a round of applause, okay. Or we can give Sarah the red cowboy hat. You like that one better? You're very smart. Blue safety helmet. CSA approved. Actually safe. Red cowboy hat, probably made with lead. Perfect. My favorite too. Actually, Sarah, I think this will suit you just fine. I feel like you've done this before. Awesome, Sarah. You're looking great. Actually, don't hold it too tight there. Wow, it's a little bit bigger on your head than I thought. You do have a small head. That's all right. So, you know, we're made in all shapes and sizes. You don't have to be ashamed of that. Sarah, what I'll get you to do is you can stand right over there, just so the sun's coming in my eyes here, and I'm the guy doing most of the work on this one. So, Sarah, what I'm going to be doing is something called a buzzsaw. What that is going to look like is this. I'm going to perform this buzzsaw holding it very steady. You're going to run at me as fast as you can, knocking the hat off your head at just the right time. Okay, Sarah, on 3. 1. No, I'm not going to do that. No, Sarah, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come at you. You're going to hold very still. At the last second, I'm going to knock that hat right off your head, okay? Hold very still, Sarah. We're going to have some fun with this. Okay. 1. 2, do you trust me? You're already here. The exits are very difficult. Okay. Don't move, Sarah. 1, 2, 3. No, actually, I'm messing with you, sir. I do feel like it's important to give people an option, so I will give it completely up to you, and maybe our audience. I can do this trick one of 2 ways. I can do this trick to you, Sarah, or I can do it to myself. So, by round of applause, if you want to see me knock the hat off Sarah's head, make some noise now. All right, not bad. By round of applause, if you want to see me knock the hat off my own head, make some noise now. Ooh, I feel like they're a 50-50. Sarah's head?